Hi, Gary Galka from DAS. Many of you have seen some of the videos that I've been posting over the past few months about the DAS-ANC model. ANC is an adjustable noise control device that can attach to your SB7 or your SB11 or basically any device with a audio output you can put through this thing. Over the past few months, I've been working on different variations of the product, and I finally settled on something, and I'm just going to give you a general overview of what it is today, because I've gone through like 5 stages of development until I've gotten it to this point. So this is the package that I've settled on. We have an audio input, a power, a 5-watt speaker. We have an OLED display, which you're going to see in a minute. The OLED display will depict an oscilloscope of the audio, and then the actual audio profile will be right below it. We have our ANC controls here, increasing and decreasing the filter. Other than that, your SB7 Rev4 or Rev5 would simply attach in the audio input here. Now this is our basic unit that we're going to be offering. We will offer another model that will have no speaker, and it will have a audio output. We have a very large speaker that will attach to the front by magnet, and it will give you higher quality sound. So this is the device. It's got a 2+ inch display. Runs on a 9-volt battery. So let's turn it on. So right now it's operational. I think I'm going to reset it. To reset, you simply press both buttons at the same time. To decrease the amount of noise that you hear, simply tap on the button and you'll slowly hear the noise disappear. Later. Like so. Similarly, on the right side here, if you wanted to increase more noise, you can do so. Okay, you have complete control. Once you have the desired setting, selected the desired setting, and you turn it off, and you turn it back on, it remembers the last setting that you used so you don't lose your setup. On the side of me over here, I have the Rev5 SB7 operating. This will run just as well with the Rev4 as it does the Rev5. I have the volume of the Rev5 set to around 15. And on the Rev4, you'd have to increase the volume a little bit more to about 20 or 25. I'm going to decrease this a little bit more. It's a handheld device. Typically, when you get it, you'll be able to attach your SB7 on the back. It'll come with Velcro strips. It'll just snap right on, and the whole thing becomes a handheld device. I thought this was a better direction to go as far as the display goes, demonstrating the oscilloscope and the audio profile right below it. That's pretty much what I want to show you. Now, when these are available, and I'm starting to build a few up here and there, they will be posted on our website as they become available. So I may post 5 or 10 on our website, and when that inventory is gone, you're going to have to wait for more to appear, if you want to buy one. Good, you like it. I'm going to increase the volume. Thanks. Thank you. Now there's some nice bidirectional communication, right? All right, time is coming up. You got 1 minute left, and I'm watching a timer. I'm done. I'll be done. "45 seconds. Just running my own test. I just built the device. I'm just making sure everything's working good. That I'm happy with the settings, the sound, all that stuff. You got 30 seconds left. Then I'll go through it. Yeah, I'm sorry. Then I'll go through it. I interrupted you. Then I'll go through it. All right, guys. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, yep, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What comes after 1, guys? What? All right, thanks. I'm all done.